Phu My Hung new urban area is a planned city located in District 7, southern Ho Chi Minh City, at the peri-urban fringe. Built by the Vietnamese-Taiwanese joint venture Phu My Hung Corporation since 1997, Phu My Hung is a showcase of modern urban neighborhood in Vietnam, turning wetlands into a multifunctional urban area. The new city features one of the largest current expatriates community in Southeast Asia. It's not noisy, clean environment and relatively safe. Phu My Hung is a nice place to live though it is expensive. Only high-income Vietnamese people and foreigners can afford to live there. Particularly, the air quality is good here. One does not need to wear a face mask, and there are no bundles of electrical lights hanging above the streets.